today I want to share some information about appreciating and apologizing.
Everything about English. 영종 토익.
Hi there, it's Leo Park again from Korea, and today I want to share some information about appreciating and apologizing. We show our gratitude so many times in our life, and also there are so many times we have to say sorry to other people. So in this case, what do we say, or how are we going to express this kind of feelings? First of all, if you want to say thank you to the elders or to the people who are not a friend or those who have not close relationship, then you can say 감사합니다. 감사합니다. And if you want to say this to some people who are a friend, who are the friends, or somebody who has a close relationship with you, then you can simply say 고마워. 고마워. And for opposite feeling of this, if you have to say I'm sorry to the elders or somebody who are not close, then you can say I'm sorry in Korean is 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. And another expression in Korean language for friends or for younger people is 미안해. 미안해. Yes, these are the four expressions that you can show some appreciation or when you have to say sorry to the other people. Or when you have to apologize. So remember this, these are very simple and very basic Korean language, and it's going to help you in many times. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. And if you like my videos, and if you think and if you find this is really informative, then please subscribe me and wait for my next video. Thank you very much for today, and see you soon. Thank you.